Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome to your English class grade 6. So we were discussing about kinds of pronoun in the previous lecture. So the second kind what I would like to discuss after personal pronoun is demonstrative pronoun. These pronouns used to indicate and point to the person things they refer to. For example, this, that, these, those examples are there. This pencil is mine. And in this sentence, this is demonstrative pronoun. Those girls are intelligent, so those word, this word, those is demonstrative pronoun. It is used to pinpoint to the girls. Next is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun, these pronouns refers to unspecific things, people in general. For example, several, each, other, each, none, someone, few, anybody, anyone, nothing, nowhere, all, both, everything, neither, either. So examples are written here. Can anyone in the class bring me a book? So anyone is indefinite pronoun. Some are born great, others achieve greatness. So some is indefinite pronoun and other is also indefinite pronoun. Coming to the next page and next kind, that is reflexive pronoun. A pronoun is a reflexive one if action of the subject reflects upon the doer of the action. There are forms, these are forms by adding self or selves. For example, himself, herself, themselves, ourselves. She cut herself while cutting vegetables. So this word cut, herself is reflexive pronoun कि उसने खुद ये काम किया. So I have written a note over here. Reflexive pronouns are always come after verb. ज़्यादातर ये होता है कि ये verb के बाद sentences में use होते हैं. Coming to the next kind, interrogative pronoun. These pronouns used to ask questions: who, whose, whom, which, what, who has done it. So who is interrogative pronoun. Which is your workbook? This which is interrogative pronoun. Coming to the next one, that is genitive or possessive pronoun. So the word genitive shows origin and possessive shows ownership, right? So these pronouns shows ownership, origin and possession. Examples are here: her, mine, his, yours, etc. This book is mine, so mine is possessive pronoun, right? Yes, girls, lecture part 3, part 2. So we were discussing about the relative pronoun. These pronouns join and relate clauses, sentences. For example, which, who, were, whose, whom, what. I know Mrs. Aisha, whose elder sister won prize last year. So whose is a relative pronoun. These are basically connect the words and phrases. Then is reciprocal pronoun. These pronouns used to indicate that two or more people are carrying out an action of the same type. Each other, one another. For example, Bilal and Asim helped each other. Bilal और Asim ने एक दूसरे की मदद की. So each other is a reciprocal pronoun. So emphatic or intensive pronoun क्या है कि these pronoun used to emphasize the action of the subject in a sentence. They also end with self or selves. He cut himself. So himself का emphatic pronoun वो emphasize कर रहा है कि उसने खुद को जख्मी कर लिया. Aisha herself completed all work. आयशा ने अपना खुद सारा काम complete किया है. Next is distributive pronoun. Distributive pronouns can be defined as a distributive pronoun considers members of a group separately rather than collectively. Examples बेटा इसकी लिखी हैं: each, any, either, neither and others. Each party got its share in the property, so each is distributive pronoun. Then everyone must finish the breakfast, so everyone is distributive pronoun. So neither of the girls in my class disobey my instructions, so neither जो है वो हमारे पास क्या है, distributive pronoun है कि किसी ने भी, ये indefinite है basically. Then girls, you can see in my notes, these are MCQs exercise about pronoun and its kind, so you have to choose the best answer. Right answer is also given here for your practice. Okay girls, so I hope you won't find anything difficult. So in the next page we have also same MCQs. In the next page 11 we have also same MCQs. Okay, I hope you will go through that. Okay, so keeping in view the time limit, so come to the next topic, that is adjective. Adjectives are those words which describes the quality of noun. Noun की खूबी बेटे या प्रोनाउन की खूबी बयान करते हैं, वो अच्छी भी हो सकती है, बुरी भी हो सकती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ब्यूटिफुल, टॉल, टू, दैट, गोल्ड, ग्रीन, हैंडसम, क्लीन, शॉर्ट, रेड, आइदर, जापानीज. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल्स. So coming to the next, that is degrees of adjectives. So we have 3 degrees of adjective: positive, comparative and the superlative degree. First of all, positive is good, its comparative is better, and the superlative is the best. So beautiful, the more beautiful, the most beautiful. Tall, taller, the tallest. Big, bigger, the biggest. So kinds of adjectives, some of them are mentioned here. First one is descriptive or qualitative, then adjective of color, shape, size, sound, taste, personality, many more we will have in the notes. So possessive or genitive adjective, adjective of quantity, numerical adjective, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective. And on the next page, number 13, we have emphasizing adjectives, exclamatory adjectives, proper adjectives, limiting adjectives, absolute adjectives, and coordinate adjectives. So coming to the next, that is the first one, that is descriptive adjectives or qualitative adjectives. So बेटे इसके descriptive भी इनको कहते हैं और qualitative, ये basically describe करते हैं noun की quality को, pronoun की quality को. For these describes the quality of noun and pronoun. These are also called the descriptive adjective. For example, small, beautiful, they are gradable as positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree of adjective. Kashmir is a beautiful valley. So beautiful हमारे पास क्या है, qualitative और descriptive adjective है. So descriptive adjective यहाँ पर मैंने आपको point out कर दिया. दूसरी examples highlight की हैं, brown dog, bigger house, fluffy cat. So adjective of color क्या है, these describes colors, red, green, blue. So green tree is adjective of color. So coming to the next page, adjective of shape. Adjective of shape, these describes shape. For example, round, square, circular, triangular. For example, my plot is triangular in shape. So triangular is basically your adjective of shape. Then adjective of size, these describes about the size, big, small, skinny, medium, huge, small. So the house is small. So small is adjective of size. Then adjective of sound, these describe sounds. For example, noisy, loud, shrill, piercing, deafening, ear splitting, resounding, uproarious, righteous, clamorous, etc. So his voice is so loud, so adjective of sound. Adjective of taste, these describe the taste. For example, sweet, bitter, sour, salty and delicious. I ate sweet mangoes. So adjective of taste. So adjective of personality, these definitely describes about the personality of a person. For example, charming, mean, cheerful, hardworking. We have in the note I've written honest, kind, lazy, cowardly, easygoing, friendly, lucky, funny, generous, etc. So Asma is a friendly. Friendly means she is adjective of personality we are describing. Then adjective of touch, these describes feeling about noun or pronoun after coming in contact with someone or some other. For example, chilly, slimy, hairy, smooth, slippery, velvety, cold, silky, soft, hard, boiling, cool, burning, greasy, etc. This dress has velvety touch, so this is adjective of touch. Then possessive adjective, these shows possession and ownership. For example, his, her, theirs, it's, yours, me, mine. Are those books are mine. So mine is genitive adjective and it's their duty. It's also possessive or genitive adjective. Then we have adjective quantity. These adjectives show the quantity of a noun. For example, much, these basically answers how much, right? So it is not written here, but still I'm telling you, much, little, some, any, etc. For example, there is a little water in jug, so this is adjective of quantity. So turning to the next page, this is numerical adjective. So these show how many, right? So ये बताते हैं कितने हैं तादाद में. For example, one, two, many, few, all, first, last. So numerical adjectives क्या हैं? Cardinal adjectives हो सकते हैं, ordinal हो सकते हैं. These refer to several number of objects, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. But ordinal number, these tells you the order of certain thing. For example, apples की बात हो रही है तो इसमें second है, 10th है, third है, fifth है. So give me third, तो थर्ड हमारे पास क्या है? ऑर्डिनल एडजेक्टिव. देन वी हैव न्यूमेरिकल एडजेक्टिव्स को अगर हम क्लासिफाई करें तो 3 है. बेसिकली यही चीज़ें आपने जो पहले पढ़ी हैं. डेफिनेट न्यूमेरिकल एडजेक्टिव क्या है? टेल एग्जैक्ट नंबर. इसमें कार्डिनल है बेटे और ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स हैं. इनडेफिनेट है